Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for Ambire Wallet. So let's get started right away. First of all, open your Ambire Wallet application or simply go ahead and visit the Ambire website. Once you come across this interface, tap on Proceed to Wallet and then tap on Get Started at the bottom of the screen. Now, go ahead and enter a 6-digit PIN you'd like to set for your wallet. Once you are done, repeat the same PIN again in the next field. After you are done with it, tap on Set Up Ambire Key Store. Now, you have 3 options displayed on the next page. You can select to proceed with email, with Nano Ledger X, or external signer. In my case, I'm gonna choose the proceed with email option. If you do the same, you will need to type in your email and create a password for your wallet. Go ahead and enter a valid email address in the first text box. When done, move on to the next box and type in a password. Confirm the password by typing it again in the next field and agree to the terms of service and privacy policy by checking on this I agree box. If you want to have a backup on Ambire Cloud, check this next box as well and tap on Sign Up. You will now need to verify your new email. Open up the email inbox for the same email that you provided and open up this Ambire Wallet welcome message. Tap the Verify button in order to verify your email and select a web browser from the list. Once you see this message, you can go back to the Ambire Wallet application. And there you have successfully created a new account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.